Hi everyone. Hey, this is coming from your email, or maybe you do have the notification bell going off on Wednesday when the Kitchen to Commerce videos launches. But the next portion of this video has already been shared through our social media, probably during the weekend or on Monday. It's a very special giveaway of pie, and I did not want you all to miss out on it either. So hey, if I'm double hitting you up here and you've already seen this, I apologize. I don't want you to be overwhelmed with getting too much stuff from us, but I sure didn't want you to miss out on our special deal of a free slice of pie. So continue to watch and we'll show you that video right now. Hi everyone, guess what? Our Kitchen to Commerce YouTube channel has doubled in size again. Last time that happened, we gave away free slices of pie to all of our subscribers. So we're gonna do it again. Come on in next week on Tuesday or Wednesday, October 1st or 2nd. Bring your phone, show that you're a subscriber, and we're gonna be happy to give you a free slice of pie. We appreciate you so much because YouTube has given me an opportunity and a platform to be able to tell my story. Guys, I've been in the business for 26 years. I have a lot of information and stories to share with you, and it's been a lot of fun for me over this last year. So there might be somebody else that you know that also might like to subscribe to Kitchen to Commerce. Please share this information with them, and maybe we'll see them in our stores next week as well. All right, you guys, I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday or Wednesday.